Hey guys, hope you're doing well. I'm Dan from Dan Wentworth Video Reviews, and today I'm going to do a review in Designer. And inside of Designer there's a product called Word Genie that you can use to generate your ebook fast with the power of AI. And right now I have created an ebook and I've used some credits to show you how I created the ebook. So firstly, I want to go to the ebook and show you what the end result is. The latest product is this one. Let me choose edit. And I'm going to stick myself onto the cover of this ebook. It's even got my name in. There it is, Daniel Wentworth. What I want to do now is take you through the process of what I've done. I'm trying this program out for the first time. It's new to me and it will most likely be new to you. Let's go through the steps, and firstly I'll show you what the dashboard of Word Genie is. Then I show you how the program goes through and it creates an ebook. You've got to of course put some inputs into the AI system and then from there create the ebook. So that's my introduction. Please do me a favor, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and please share. Because I'm doing this, I'm using credits to create this video and it's costing me money. So please do that. It's for free. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all of that stuff. And of course, I'm asking you to please share it as well. Word Genie is an AI content creator that helps you get started with your non-fiction ebook in 6 clicks using your niche and your target audience. It will create a variety of headlines, ebook outlines, and then continue to write initial content for you. Once it's complete, you can edit it and add your own content to supplement and enhance what is produced. Word Genie works on a credit system. I'll tell you more about that in a minute. It's important to understand that Word Genie is a tool and complements your skills, know-how, and experience. In the same way a carpenter uses a tool to produce their creation, you should ensure you add your voice and customize the end result to make it your own. The system uses credits to measure usage. A full ebook completion is approximately 10,000 credits, including the titles and the outline. They have preloaded my account with 50,000 credits. You can add additional credits to your account for as little as $17. So as it says here, Word Genie will generate your ebook title, outline, the description, and the first paragraph of each chapter based on your chosen niche. When the AI will finish generating your ebook, you will be able to edit your new ebook and add more content, and you can publish it. As I've said before, users get 50,000 credits for free. If it is necessary to purchase more, you can do so, starting from $17. So if extra credits were needed to complete your ebook, they will be reduced from your next purchase of credits, and then you've got to click agree to the content policy, and from there you click the button to get started. Let's have a look. So I want to try my best to show you Word Genie without using any of the credits that are available to me. Here it shows I have 50,000 credits available. So I'm going to type in here the niche that I would like to target. And then I can click the next button and let's see what happens. This is the next step. So here it says Do you want to choose one of these sub-niches or stay with your Make Money Online niche? First one, Make Money Online, making money with affiliate marketing. I've chosen that one. Or you can regenerate the sub-niches. These are automatically popping up here because I chose the word Make Money Online in the previous page. So let's see what happens when I click next. Here it asks me, what audience is your book targeted towards? Examples, real estate agents, restaurant owners, parents. The narrower the better. So I'm just going to choose, for example, affiliate marketers, and let's see what happens. I've already lost some credits here trying to show you, but never mind. Click next. Now Genie is giving me some more options here. Here are some suggested titles for the ebook, and I can choose which one I would like. Affiliate Marketing Mastery, Step-by-Step Guide to Making Money with Affiliate Programs. Affiliate Marketers Cookbook, Proven Strategies for Generating Income with Affiliate Programs. Art of Affiliate Marketing, Ultimate Guide. I'm going to choose the first one. Step-by-Step Guide to Making Money with Affiliate Programs. If you're not happy with this, you can regenerate suggested titles. So I'm going to go for this book title. Click next. That's the AI working in the background. Here is a suggested outline for the book. Gives you an introduction, what is affiliate marketing, benefits, essential elements, getting started. These are the chapters, I presume. And then you've got a conclusion and you've got a place for resources. So due to the fact that I've already used some credits here, why not just move on and keep on going? I'm doing this to show you how Genie works. So I'm going to click next. The draft has been saved. It may take a few minutes for Genie to generate your content. And here it appears right before your eyes. The book has been created. You can cancel, or you can save the draft, or you can continue and choose a template for the book, which includes a cover and a back cover as well. Over here you can edit it and choose link, put in links and stuff. And while I'm busy here, the AI is working here in the background. As you can see, it is still writing the book. My credits are dropping here, as you can see, while it's generating the book. So I'm just going to push through here. I'm not going to cancel because that's going to be pretty stupid of me if I do that. So while it's creating the ebook, I will stop over here, and in a second or two I'll come back to you guys, and then you can see the finished product. Now the book has been created. It says finished, and it notifies me that my draft has been saved over here in drafts. And yeah, the book is complete now. It used 11,715 credits to create this book. I have now available 38,285 where I had 50,000. I have 38,285. So now I have used some of my credits to create this ebook to show you how this works. Please give my video a like and subscribe and share. It costs you nothing, and it's free for you to do that. Please support me. I'm doing my best to try and show you good videos and good content so that you are informed about how these products work. They ask you, how did Word Genie do? We would love to have your feedback. I can't give any feedback unless I've gone through all of this. So you can either give it a thumbs down or a thumbs up. So I'm going to choose continue to choose a template. Remember, we are in Designer, and I'm giving you a product demo over here of this new addition to Designer, which is called Word Genie, which is an AI writer creating ebooks for you using AI. So let's go on and choose a template. This one looks good. You can always edit it later. Yes, so as I've said, please support my channel. I'm doing this so that I can get more views and grow my YouTube channel. So if you could support me by just clicking on like, subscribe, share, and click the notification bell to get more of this kind of content, I would appreciate very much. Thank you. So now we are in the dashboard of the ebook editor. The book has been created. Here is the table of contents. It's already been done. This is the book cover. They put my name here because I have an account with Designer and I'm logged into Designer with my name and surname. So that's automatically added over there. So here we go. This is the book title that I chose. Affiliate Marketing Mastery, a step-by-step guide to making money with affiliate programs. I didn't have to lift a finger to write this ebook. It was all done by AI. So let's go through it. Here's the table of contents. The introduction. You can always make this better. This doesn't look so good. Now, that's it. There we go. I'm probably going to edit it further, maybe choose a different color or something like that. But that's how you make your modifications. It's automatically made 2 columns. So you have more content on one page. Getting started, that looks good. Now, choosing a niche, everything has been written. I have to come back later and add pictures, or I can just simply delete this, but it's always good to add a picture or 2. So let's run through the book. See, everything has been set up. The book is just about ready to go. Yeah, I'm going to decrease the size of the text to see if I can get it to fit. That looks better. And yeah, these are the different chapters. Let's run through the book. You can add the pictures, as I've said. Building your brand, that looks good. So I'm demoing you this book here. It's quite extensive. Extensive, not expensive. Advanced strategies looks good. I'm nearly at the end. Conclusion doesn't look good. So let's do the text. Here we go. Almost there. There we go. I'm going to show you the back cover. Resources. Let me fix this quickly while I'm demoing here. Click on that. Until it fits in there. Right. Going down. So that's it. The demo is for creating an ebook using the power of AI. That's my demo for the ebook, using the power of AI to create an ebook and show you how it works. Please subscribe, please like and share. Thanks for watching. You get the pricing structure and the prices of the OTOs and or the upsells, and I'll show you the products and the back end of each for your information. So this is where you go if you want to upgrade. You get the standard lifetime access. The Pro is $97 per year. The Premium is $297 per year. And with this one you can do PDF. You can do all of these plus PDF to Flipbook, import web, MS, Microsoft Word, Google Docs, text. You get 100,000 credits for audiobooks with this one. And then agency premium is $497 per year, and you can create all of this stuff plus custom template creator, 300 standard templates, and 250,000 credits for audiobooks included. So that's quite a lot, and you can compare the plans and features over here. Let's go through it. Standard, you get 100 templates. Pro, you get 200. Premium, you get 300. And agency premium, 300. And it's unlimited publishing. PDF to flipbook. With a front end, you get 10 active PDFs to flipbooks. With the other plans, unlimited. And Kindle EPUB, you've got to upgrade to at least the Pro to publish to Kindle and EPUB and iBooks. Audiobooks, you've got to upgrade to at least the premium or the agency premium. And then live ebooks, online ebooks, you've got to upgrade to be able to put up live ebooks on the internet. PDF, text and image extractor, you've got to upgrade. And Microsoft Word, Google Docs text that I was talking about just now, yes, you have access to it in the front end. And the software that's inside of Designer, the tool that is available if you upgrade, then you can use Word Genie, the one that I've just demonstrated for you. Right now I'm inside of the sales page of Designer, and you can buy Designer, the front end of Designer, for only $27 one-time payment. You don't pay monthly, you don't pay annually. If you get it, you get it. It's one-time payment of $27 for lifetime access. Obviously there are upgrades. Ebooks are great to use for lead magnets. People are still using them, and to introduce a course you can create an ebook, and there are various ways to make money from ebooks. Especially if you don't have to work hard. You don't have to when there's AI to help you. So give me a comment in the comment section below, or you can buy it. You can buy the software. Lifetime offer $27. Click on the link in the description below and it'll take you to this sales page. You can go through it at your own leisure. It is quite a lengthy sales page. There's a bonus from them as well. It's called Content Marketing for Dummies. Bonus number 1 is a free commercial license, so you can use the software to sell ebooks to other people. The value of this commercial license is $497. Bonus number 3, you can join the Facebook community. It's a closed group. They will give you access, and this is where people get together. Join the Facebook community. It's a closed group. They will give you access, and this is where people get together and they give you advice over there. You can ask questions. Besides that, Designer offers, here it is, $27 one-time payment. This is what you get: lifetime access, import blog posts, Word docs, Google Docs, any text. You can publish PDFs, reports and white papers, publish lead magnets and animated flipbooks. They even give you the option, you get it included. You can make a flipbook. You get unlimited free image search, unlimited icon search, unlimited PDF ebooks, 900 Google fonts are included, and free commercial license, as I've said. Then you get free content marketing for dummies. That's the first bonus. Then there's full video training, 24-hour chat support, 30-day money-back guarantee. You can get the offer by clicking here. It'll take you to the checkout page. And if you use the link in my description and in the comment section below, you can get the bonuses included, the bonuses from me as well. If you click on the subscribe button and the bell button and you share and you comment, that will be so great for me. I will be ever so grateful to you for doing that. It's free to do. So thanks for your support. Thanks for watching the video. Well then guys, that was my review of Designer.